Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have discussed about axiomatic approach to probability. Today, we will solve some questions from 16.3 exercise. So, question is, 3 coins are tossed once, then you have to find probability of getting 3 hats, at least 2 hats, and at most 2 tails. Okay? So, first of all, to find probability of any event, we need 2 things. Its total possible outcomes and outcomes favorable to that event. And these 2 things we need. So first, if we toss 3 coins once, then what will be sample space? So when we toss 1 coin 3 times or 3 coins once, outcomes will be same. So we have seen how to write outcomes. Okay. How many outcomes will be there? 2 to the power 8. Sorry, 2 to the power 3 means 8. 8 outcomes will be there. Hai 2 faces are there, head and tail, and we are tossing 3 coins. So 2 to the power 3, which is 8. 8 outcomes are there. How to write this 8 outcomes? So take its half. So H, 4 times H you can write. And then 4 times tail. Okay? Then take its half of 4. 2. So 2 times we can write head and 2 times tail. Then 2 times head. Then 2 times tail. Okay? Then take half of 2. 1. So 1 head, 1 tail. 1 head, 1 tail. Head, tail. Head, tail. Like this we can write all the possible outcomes. It means number of outcomes, possible outcomes are 8. Okay? This is very easiest way to write possible outcomes. When we toss 2 coins or 3 coins or 4 coins. Now in the first case, we need probability of 3 hats. Suppose A is the event. A be the event that 3 hats appear. This is our event. A event. 3 hats appear. So what will be number of outcomes? Or what are the outcomes for 3 hats? So among this, from this sample space, how many outcomes are there having 3 hat? So only one we have. So H. This is our event A. It means number of elements in A. We have only 1. So probability of A event will be number of elements in A upon number of elements in S. Means 1 by 8. Okay? Only find outcomes favorable to event A and total possible outcomes. That will take the ratio, that will be our required probability. Now for second case, B, at least 2 hats. Suppose this event is B. B be the event that at least 2 hats appear. Now in this case, what will be outcomes for B event? So 2 hats. Taking at least 2 hats. At least means minimum. कम से कम 2 hat. ठीक है? So 2 hats and maximum as much as possible. So we are tossing 3 coins. So maximum 3 hats we can get. So 2 hat and 3 hats. 2 hats and 3 hats. These 2 outcomes we can get. So 3 hats, H. Then 2 hats, HHT. This HHT, STH, then THH. This outcomes can be here. HHT, then HTH, then THH. In case of at least 2 hats, it means number of elements or outcomes favorable to event B are 4. So P of B will be 4 by 8 means 1 by 2. Okay? In the same way, event C, at most 2 tails. At most means maximum. Maximum can be 2 tails. Then what about minimum? Can be 2, 1, 0. Okay? So in this case, what will come? Suppose event C is there. Hai na? So in this event, what will come? 2 tails, 1 tail and no tail. So no tail. Now all 3 heads means no tail. 1 tail, 1 tail, 2 tails, 1 tail, 2 tails, 2 tails. Means except this, we can take all elements. So HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, THH, THT and TTH. These are our possible outcomes for C. It means number of elements in C will be 7. Check. So required probability will be 7 by 8. Okay. So first find the sample space for the given experiment. Then according to given events, we can find the possible outcomes for that event, particular event, or you can say favorable outcomes for that event, and divide favorable outcomes by possible outcomes. That will give you required probability. Okay. Now question is, a card is selected from a pack of 52 cards. Then we need probability of the card drawn is an ace of spade. Then the card is a black card or card is a face card. Okay. So first of all, you know about cards, but once again I will explain. There are total 52 cards divided into 4 groups. One group is spade, spades, clubs, hearts and diamonds. These are the 4 groups. Okay? Each group has 13 cards. 13 cards are there in each group. First number card is called S. Check. Then from 2 to 10 numbers are there. 2 of spade, 2 of clubs, 2 of hearts, like this. 10 of heart, 10 of club. So there will be numbers. Then 11th number card is called Jack. 12th card is called Queen and 13th card is called King. Like this we have 13 cards. So each group has 1 Ace, 1 Jack, 1 Queen, 1 King and numbers 2 to 10. So we have overall 4 Aces, 4 number 2, 4 number 3, then 4 Jacks, 4 Queens, 4 Kings. These 2 spades and clubs are in black color and hearts and diamonds are in red color. Okay? Spades, clubs are in black color, hearts and diamonds are in red color. So if we talk about colors, so we have 26 cards of black and 26 cards of red color. If we talk about jacks, so there are 2 jacks of red color, 2 jacks of black color. Then these 3 cards are known as face cards. Jack, Queen and King are called face cards. So one group has 3 face cards. So there are 4 groups, there will be 12 face cards. Okay? Out of this, 6 are black, 6 are red. Okay? So this is distribution of cards. There are 13 cards in each group. Number 1 is Ace, then 2 to 10 numbers will be there. 11th card is called Jack, 12th Queen, 13th King. These 3 cards are known as face card. Okay? So overall there are 12 face cards, then 6 are red, 6 are black. Now we need chances of getting Ace of spade. So first of all, we need sample space है ना. If we select one card, if we draw one card from 52 cards, what will be possible outcomes? So the card drawn can be any one of the 52 cards. So total number of cards, we have 52, so this will be total possible outcomes. Possible outcomes will be same 52. ठीक है. Now in the first case we need probability of getting an as of speed. So if event A, let A be the event, card drawn is as of speed. It is our event A. Then A has how many elements? How many S are there in speed? Then speed only one S is there. Elements in A set will be only one. So what is the probability of getting an S of speed? Will be 1 by 52. ठीक है. Then what is the probability of getting black card? So how many black cards are there? So total black cards, spades and clubs are in black color. There will be 13 plus 13, 26 cards are black. So if event B is card is black, so just we can write probability of B is 26 by 52, means 1 by 2. ठीक है. Then C, third question, we need probability of getting face card. So how many face cards are there? So total number of face cards. And total face cards are 12. So what is the probability of event C? Suppose event C is the card drawn is a face card. So it will be 12 by 52. So dividing by 4, 4 3 is 12, 13 4 is 52. 3 by 13 is our chance of getting a face card. ठीक है. If question is red face card, instead of face card there is red face card or black face card. So total number of red face cards will be 6. 6 by 52 means 3 by 26. If there is instead of S of spade only S are given, so there are 4 S's, each group has 1 S, so 4 by 52. ठीक है. So total outcomes will be same 52. For if we draw one card, total outcomes will be 52 only. Then what is our event? According to that you can find the probability.